After 2 years of consultations with Ghanaians, the Constitution Review Commission has presented its findings to President Atta Mills. The document, being a wish list of the people on the development path of the nation should take, hopes to seal some loopholes in the 1992 Constitution which ushered in the Fourth Republic. The report will require some administrative and legislative actions as well as a referendum after due consideration by the government. Muto Bibinim has the story.
Under the 1992 Fourth Republican Constitution, 5 successful elections have been held, 2 of these leading to a smooth transfer of power from a sitting government to an opposition party. It served not only as a major departure from military to civilian rule, but also served as a solid foundation for the rule of law and good governance. As the nation continues to chart its democratic path, some constitutional difficulties began to emerge, leading to some hard questions. These include a call for a ceiling for Supreme Court judges, the need for a change of the December 7 date for elections, increase in the 4-year presidential tenure, and the abolition of ex gratia for Article 71 office holders. While some made the case for the separation of the office of the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, others advanced arguments against the selection of ministers from among parliamentarians. It is against this backdrop that President John Atta Mills inaugurated the Constitution Review Commission to ascertain from Ghanaians their views on the strengths and weaknesses of the 1992 Constitution. The Commission's mandate included articulating the concerns of the people on any changes that will necessitate a referendum and also present a draft bill and final report on amendments which will require constitutional review. It received 83,161 submissions from Ghanaians at home and abroad. They touched on national development planning, the 3 arms of government, and public service. Others concerned decentralization, traditional authorities, natural resources, and human rights, among others.
We were concerned that the nation should put forward a caring and compassionate outlook by addressing the particular concerns of marginalized groups such as women, persons with disability, children, and the aged. In sum, we took the view that the review exercise must strengthen and streamline Parliament, deepen decentralization, improve participatory democracy at the local level, and enhance the role of traditional authority in local governance, streamline and strengthen the independent constitutional bodies so that they may better protect the institutions of states and the rights of the people. We were concerned to ensure that the natural resources of Ghana are developed and utilized in a transparent and participatory manner, and that the benefits of those resources must endure primarily to the people of Ghana. Finally, we thought that our work would be incomplete unless and until the Constitution spoke to the difficult issues of corruption, ethnicity, dysfunctional politics, wastage of national resources, revenue leakages, and unbridled government spending.
President John Atta Mills reiterated his confidence in the commissioners and pledged to premise government action on the will of the people after due consideration.
The document that you have presented is not the property of the government. We are going to share the information with the people of Ghana. It is the people of Ghana who are going to take the decisions, because the provisions, the recommendations affect their very lives, and power resides in the people of our country. So we make sure that we make available to the people of this country as many copies as possible, that we encourage public discourse so that we can arrive at a consensus. By so doing, we'll be able to remove all the obstacles and difficulties and be able to present a document which has the support of the people of this nation.
Experts have described the process as the most representative of the people's socio-political aspirations, hopes and fears since independence, and should not be denied them by any government. GTV News, Castle Osu.